Hi, and welcome to the brand new episode of Home Assistant How-To with BeardedTinker. Today, we are going to improve our quality of life. We will be configuring World AirQuality Index sensor. We'll start in a couple of seconds. World Air Quality Index sensor platform will give you information about air quality index for the region or location you want to receive data about. In order for us to configure this component, first thing we have to do is we have to retrieve token, and we have to register to get this token. Let's go to web page. It's pretty simple. We'll type in here our address. I will be using again a dummy email address. World Air Quality Index. And let's give it a name here. We have to confirm that we agree, and let's submit. Okay, let me check email. And after you receive email, you will get inside the link where you have to confirm your email address. And by confirming, you will also receive token. Let me retrieve it. And this is the sample link that you get URL to. It includes also your token. So now that we have token, let's go back to Home Assistant and configure it. In Home Assistant, we want to go to configurator. We want to go to sensors. And at the bottom, we will create a new sensor. It will be called World Air Quality Index. Platform is WAQI, World Air Quality Index. Token, and here you have to copy your token. And next thing what we have to do is we have to specify locations for what we are interested to track air quality. So it's locations. For me, at least for now, it's Zagreb. Let's go to configuration. Let's go to server control, check our configuration, and restart server. And our server is back online. Okay, before I proceed, let's go and see how you can select your own location, because usually cities or larger areas have not just one but couple of sensors, and it's really nice to select the one sensor that is closest to the location where you live. So let's go back to the web browser. In the web browser, you can select map. You can go to Europe, for me at least, and then you can zoom in and find the sensor that is closest to you. So for example, for me, this will be Zagreb minus or -1. And you can see that I have really good air here. You should definitely visit Zagreb for the upcoming holidays. Let us jump back into the Home Assistant and let's now configure sensor here, or let's configure something where we can see data. So where should we put it? Let's put it in a climate, configure UI, and the simplest way to do it is to go to entities and here find it. As you can see, I have a couple of sensors here. I will be using this one. Save. and here is the data for my location. If you do not know the numbers, you can check it on the web, but the index goes something like this. From 0 to 50, the air is good. From 51 to 100, it's moderate. From 101 to 150, it's unhealthy for sensitive people. From 151 to 200, it's unhealthy. 200 to 300 is very unhealthy. And 301 plus is something like Chernobyl or something like that. Okay. If you want to get more information about quality of air or data that is available, of course, you can click this and you will receive status and data regarding the air quality. So CO, carbon oxide, nitrogen dioxide, pressure. This is particle. I think this is 0.1 millimeter particle, something like that. Sulfur dioxide, temperature, and W is probably something, I don't know. Okay, and this is it for today's episode of Home Assistant How To with BeardedTinker. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any kind of comment, question or idea, please leave it down below into the comment section. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified on the future updates. And I will be seeing you soon. Until then, bye bye and have fun.